Hi guys, Richard Butler here with something exciting. It's another unboxing video. Now, if you want to see what it is, keep watching. I'm here every week and I like to talk about gadgets, I like to talk about software, I like to talk about items that can help you in your business. And today's video is about gadgets. Now, to give you a bit of context, I spent a little time looking at Indiegogo and there were a couple of items that I liked, and let's say I made one or two purchases, and one of them already arrived, which was the Amazfit or Amazfit Zen Buds, which I reviewed, and you should see a link somewhere here for that. And the second one is for this item. So what is this? Well, this caught my eye, and it's called a Phomemo mini printer. And it's like a portable little printer that you can actually take on the go, and you can print out small little images on this sticky paper. Now, I have no idea what this is like, but I saw it and it was just one of these things that I said, well, I'm going to have a look. So let me just open this. So you are going to be the first people to see this, and I will be doing a follow-up video, so make sure that you do subscribe, because once I have all of this set up, I will actually tell you how easy the setup was. I will tell you what the quality is like, and we'll see. So first of all, we have a little note here that says, please feel free to contact us through any of the contact methods. And there's a little sticker there. We have an instruction manual, which is quite extensive. And then we have the actual printer itself. So the idea here is that with the world that we live in, sometimes we don't have memories, we don't have Instagrams, we don't have we have Instagrams, but we don't print out pictures. So the idea with this is that you would use this to print out little things. And I think you can print out pictures, you can print out to-do lists. There's lots of little things that you can print out. Now, very, very simple packaging, okay? So it's not like the Zen Buds that I got that had really nice sort of packaging like an Apple product, but that's it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to charge this. I'm going to read the instructions as well to see how this actually works. And then I will be back with a follow-up video. Now, if you have any questions about this little printer, do let me know, and I, of course, will answer them. So I'll see you in the next video. Hey guys, well, I took a little break there just while I set the printer up. And I forgot to tell you that what this printer is. It's actually a thermal printer. Now, what that means is it uses special paper that is heated, and then it actually burns the image onto the actual paper. So there's no need for ink. So the best, let me just get a few things here. The best thing I can say to you is that this is like when you get a receipt in a restaurant. It's the same type of printer. So what it prints out is just little things like that. Okay, so that's a little shopping list that I printed out that I can have. I printed out a to-do list as well. Okay, you can see that. And then I also printed out this little photo here. Okay, so what you can actually do is, if I just go here, you need to download an app, and it was very, very simple actually. It took seconds to actually do it. And the app looks like that. Okay, so what you can do is you can hit print images, and that will bring up your image library. You can just create a note and paste it in there. There are templates which are really useful. There's fun templates. There are like to-do lists that you can print out. There's frames that you can print out, and there's schedules. Now you can also, I believe, create your own. So let me just take one here. So what I would do is I would go in here to, for example, let me just bring one up here. I go here to do list, and then I type in what I want to do there. So edit video, and then put on YouTube. And that's it. That's going to be my to-do list there. So then what I do is I just click on the print icon, and there's a little button in there that says print. And there we go. and this starts to print like that. So it's really, really easy to actually print here. And then I just pull that off, and I have my little to-do list there that you can see. So just handy for just doing little notes and just for having it so that you can print off something really quickly. Quality wise, I think it was, it's not super high quality. It costs at the moment, I think they cost $37. I probably got it for just a little bit cheaper than that. But it comes with that paper, and then you can also buy additional paper. Sorry, I'm just trying to find where I put everything. You can buy additional paper like this, just little rolls here, and they are adhesive. So they're stickers that I can then stick on anything that I want. Now, another thing that came with it, and I think this was an early bird bonus on it, was this cover. And all I need to do is make sure I put it in the right way, put it in this cover, and then it will prevent any knocks and scrapes there. Now, to replace the paper, I push up that button and it just reveals the paper there. Okay, so it's very much like, as I said, now I have gone and messed it up. So it's very much like a printer that you would see on a cash register. And I just put that paper there, and just like that, and that's it. So I'm just gonna have that turned on my desk, and when I want to actually print out something, I'm just gonna print it out. It does print out on black and white. I think you can buy the paper refills in Amazon. I have bought a number of extra papers. I don't know, I think there's a demo cartridge of paper in there that comes with it, and then I have 6 refills there. Some of the paper lasts for 2 years. The image will fade after 2 years. Another one that I got lasts for 10 years, so that you can put it on stickers. Now, I was thinking one of the things that I thought which would be quite interesting is, if you've noticed when you go out to restaurants and bars or cafes, they all have QR codes. So you could actually print out QR codes on this. You could create it on the web and then save it into your pictures, print out a QR code. And one thing that I thought which was kind of sneaky was that you could actually put your QR code on tables if you wanted to advertise something. Now, I'm not saying that you do that, but I have, for example, some flyers for some English classes that I do. And what I could actually do is I could just now put in the adhesive paper and print out the QR code so that people can just scan to directly go to my website rather than having to take down my details, etc. So I think there's a lot of possibilities with it. It is just a little fun gadget, but why not? So if you have any questions, do let me know, and I'll talk to you later. Bye. Oh, and make sure that you subscribe, make sure that you like, make sure that you share, make sure that you comment, do all of those things that you should be doing on social media. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye.